Hey, what's up guys? Josh here. Today we're going to be working on installing the rear SuperPro sway bar. So SuperPro roll control came with the end links and everything that you guys seen in the previous video. So let's go ahead and get down below and take a look at what is involved with taking the stock one off. Alright, so under the rear A-arm you've got a little connector bolt here. You've got some brackets here on either side. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. I'll set you guys up on a time lapse and we'll pull it off. It's really simple to get off. Alright, let's take a look at the rear bushings from SuperPro that go with that sway bar kit. And you can see on the inside it's got like all that textured ribbing, or like basically uneven surface is going to help that WP grease sit in there and keep the bushings from squeaking. So I've got this one all lubed up. We'll get the other one done. We'll get these reassembled. I've got the sway bar brackets that mount to the chassis of the vehicle. These have all been powder coated and had them sandblasted and powder coated, so they're all looking nice and new. And that's the end links that we're going to be replacing with the brand new ones here. And these are the old ones, which you can see are completely shot, deteriorated, hard as a rock. Probably had no bounce or anything to them. So let's get underneath the car and put this together. Alright, let's grab this rear sway bar and let's put it in. You can see on the end link the flat side faces towards the washer. There's like a little bead at the top that goes up into the hole. And then same thing, little bead at the top is going to face down. Alright, I'm going to kind of get the sway bar put into the bottom of the end links just to kind of get it in position to help hold it, so I can get the brackets mounted to the chassis and then adjust the end links to the proper length while under load. And with the bracket, the opening faces to the rear. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten this side up here. Alright, let's get the other bushing on. A little better look at it. Alright, I'm going to torque these down to 37 foot-pounds. They can be anywhere between, I think, 34 to 42 if I remember, but I'm going to go 37. Alright, you want to tighten this down so the polyurethane bushing is just starting to kind of show that it's compressed and almost starting to bulge. And then tighten down the bottom nut. far as when you install this, I had to use basically the full extension all the way out. If you look up above, you can see that this nut is basically all the way almost at the end of the threading of the end link that goes through there. And that's because when you get back here underneath, what I was concerned about is how close the drive shaft is to the sway bar. And the sway bar still kind of slides back and forth a little bit when the car is going to move in the bushings. And so I wanted to extend that all the way out, otherwise it was just a little bit too close. I didn't want it to rub on the drive shaft. But here's the sway bar. Installation was pretty easy, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes after the factory one was out. So if you watch this video and you don't really know too much what you're doing, you should be able to do it in about a half an hour, I'd say. It's not bad at all. So we're going to clean up this side of the MP grease over here, and we are done. And here's a peek of that end link from the top. So you can kind of see how tight it is there. And I'm right at the end of the thread, just for the clearance for that drive shaft. Here's a look at the other side. So pretty much the same thing. Well, I'm all done installing the sway bar. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you next time.